Hi friends, the growing season is just around the corner and I wanted to bring up a book that I talked about on my YouTube channel a couple times, and it's called Preserving God's Bounty. The reason why I love this book so much is it's actually a real Amish canning book that is not regulated by the USDA. This was written by real Amish women, and many of them many communities actually participated in making this book, Preserving God's Bounty. And I love it because there's so many things in here: soups, meats, tomatoes, vegetables, pickles, fruits, miscellaneous, helpful hints. There is a product yield chart that they have in here. And then they also have times tables for canning fruits, and that's also with how to do it by pressure canning and then boiling water bath. Times tables for canning vegetables, that is pressure canning and water bath as well, and the same thing with meats. So this is a wonderful book to have. Many people have ordered it and been very pleased with it. Anyway, guys, I hope you like it, and as always, take care and God bless.